My name is Eric Person. I am the house mixologist for Prolijo Mezcal, and we're over here at the Flats in LaSalle, the Ardus. We are going to be making a cocktail I made called the You Very Matcha. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 2 ounces of mezcal, Prolijo Mezcal Blanco, 3/4 ounces of the lime juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup, which is just equal parts sugar and water, brought to a soft boil and then let cool. And we're going to do 1 ounce of egg whites. When I'm making this, I want to keep the egg whites separate because the lime juice will actually chemically cook the egg whites if you mix them together before you are ready for the shake. We're going to dry shake it to build up that froth. And then add just a little bit of ceremonial matcha powder. After you've dry shaken it and you've built up some foam, we're going to add a little bit of ice and give it a nice firm shake. Gonna go ahead and double strain it to get all the ice chips out of the cocktail. And then give it a nice Dutch sting of the matcha powder.
I could literally talk about agave all day. If I'm having like an awkward conversation with somebody, I immediately bring it to like tequila, mezcal, sotol, and all that because I can literally just go nonstop.